the production process of a wig, hand tying is the most crucial and labor-intensive step. The hand tying process has always been shrouded in mystery and unfamiliarity. Today, we'll unveil the intricacies of hand tying for you. Hand tying involves a worker hooking and securing hair onto a mesh. In simpler terms, it consists of tying one or two knots onto the mesh. Of course, there are various other methods, which we will elaborate on later. Here's an example of a single knot. Tying a one knot is known as a single knot. This is an illustration of double knots, while tying two knots is referred to as double knots. Have you grasped the concept? If you have any more questions or if there's anything else you'd